Hi everyone. Here you have the device that's already hooked up to the drill press. I got some good amount of work done today, and this is just a plate that I welded a bolt into the top of the plate, and then I just did some welds here on the tips and just the edges of this C-core. And as you can see, the C-core is magnetically coupling very well here, and there's your 0 point right there in between there, and it just so not much wastage in the cores as far as like just turning this drill press and then bringing the cores to it. It's very efficient. What else? Well, I have my scope probe attached here to the coil. I guess that's the real thing that everybody wants to see. And I have a 1 ohm load there, and this is a resistor that I've made of something like 18 or 14 ohm resistors all in parallel, giving me 1 ohm. It's a fairly precise resistor. I've got a kilowatt meter attached to the drill press, and sorry about the lighting here, not all that great. This is all I have at my disposition, but we're getting some results. So I have my scope here, and I'm going to go ahead and start that up on load, and so we can look at the waveform. So here we go. And this is what our waveform looks like. And there is our settings there. At our data, we're at about close to 90 hertz at 2 volts. We have 2 volts RMS across our resistor there. And if we look at our power, I'm going to try to zoom into that there and get that power there. So we're at 152 watts in average, and I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my load there. So the load is off now, and for some reason I don't understand why, but the power actually goes up, the consumption goes up, and I'll put it back. You can see here the waveform is like way off scale here, and I'll reduce that so we can have a look at it. So that's what the waveform kind of looks like, which is similar to what my hand tests were. And there we have it. About 39 volts RMS. And once I put it under load, it pretty well disappears, because now I have to bring down my voltage. So there we have it, and let's try to see here, get more samples, so we get a better reading of how many volts RMS we have there. So we're about at close to 1.3 volts, and 2.3 volts is 5.29 watts. So let's maybe call that 2.25, and if we do the math on there, we're at 5 watts. So let's call it 2.25 volts RMS on our resistor, and that gives us a result of 5 watts. And if we look at our resistor, that's pretty well what we have there. And there you have it. So I don't quite understand yet why it reduces power when I take it off load. So it's on load right now at about 150 watts. And Sorry about the wattage there. And now it's off mode. So that's a very interesting effect. And I guess we're going to have to try to figure out what's going on there. On mode once again. And what I'll do now is I'll stop the camera and I'll get a higher resistance value resistor and do the test again.